and I'm going to explain to you today on how to use Ccleaner. Now, basically what Ccleaner is a program that basically wipes out any data that you do not need on your system. So let's open the sucker up. Now, first off, what you're going to do is it's going to tell you on the top of the corner, right under Ccleaner.com, that's where you go to get this sucker. It displays information regarding about your operating system and your processor speed and all that other stuff. You are going to hit Analyzed. And as you can see, there's a few things I didn't select, but that's just good stuff that what Ccleaner, if it wipes it out, it's going to cause some problems for you when it comes to autocompleting on like internet and passwords and stuff like that. It clears that out as well. It's recommended that you check them all, but those are some of those that I don't really want to erase right now. But now basically what Ccleaner is that it basically digs through your hard drive on files that you don't need or are never in use, and it deletes them. Stuff like your browsing history or your cookies, if it's one. Some of you, and even stuff in your like recycling bin, because there's a lot of things that what the recycling bin doesn't wipe out. Now, and here's the catchy part that I found out, that the Ccleaner also wipes out stuff like from uninstallers and stuff like that from programs, because when you uninstall it, it doesn't completely erase everything. Well, Ccleaner manages to do that on XP users. See, now I'm using Vista, so this stuff for some reason apparently under its registry files creates a restore point for that, and at startup it reinstalls them. But as you can see, that it says 0% and searching through files now. For some reason, the bar is not exactly synced with the searcher, so it's gonna take a little bit. But normally, when it takes a little bit, that means it's finding a lot of stuff that you don't need. Let's just give it a sec here. It'll be almost done. And there you go. Over 4 gigs of data on my hard drive right now that I do not need. 4.5 actually. You're going to hit Run Cleaner, and it's just going to show that little warning, and you're just going to hit OK. And it will take actually not even a fourth of the time that it took to search it. You see, because it already knows what files it doesn't need to delete. It's just got to do the process and to delete them. So basically what you do when you hit Analyze is searching for the files that you don't need, and kind of stores it in your RAM for a bit as a way for it to track. Now this will delete your browsing history on any of your internet browsers, and this will also wipe out any data that is within the recycling bin. In fact, right here is the browsing history one. It's going to delete that, and sometimes that thing still shows up because it's completely wiping it out from it. But from what Ccleaner can do, it's done. But this is what's interesting. It also has a registry cleaner. It will help clean up missing DLL files or anything like that. Now, as you can see, you got I have 3 unused file extensions. That's for my game Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. And because those are files that are in the registry that are not needed anymore, you're going to hit fix those issues, and if you want to create a restore point, you can, or if you want to individually fix them, you can do that as well. And also, this is what Ccleaner can do. It can uninstall it and then wipe it out completely, and it will also show you files that are on startup. As you can see, I have a few on my screen. Yours will look completely different from mine, but some programs might be the same. You can change settings, like when it starts up on your computer. Now that's kind of recommended on some points, but that's a little much for your older PCs. You can change cookies, include or exclude programs, and advanced settings and within. Also, clicking on the About tab shows more information about what Ccleaner is. Hopefully this helped you all those of you who have Ccleaner understand a little bit more about it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. This is Calvin Locampy, and I'm going to call it a night for today.